You've done everything right. Built the career, got the credentials, put in the hours, and maybe you still like parts of the work, but the long days, the capped pay, the meetings that should have been emails, that part's getting old. And you start wondering what else is out there. Something stable, profitable, and yours. And you end up here. Cleaning Company Blueprint, channel about two sisters who started a cleaning company in the middle of the pandemic. One, a burnt out school teacher. The other was juggling kids and creative contracts. Neither of us had a business degree or any outside funding, but we built a residential cleaning company from scratch without knowing anything about the industry. And we've billed $2.4 million in just 4 years. And the entire thing is built around a system that works without us having to do any cleaning. It wasn't easy, but it was simple. And what's even better is it's working for other people too. Just yesterday, Luke, a member of our community, shared that he got to quit his full-time job after just 1 year of starting his cleaning company with his wife, Amber. And that's what we want for you. In this video, I'm going to show you what a freedom first, boring second cleaning business looks like, the 4 foundations that make it work, and how you can follow a simple 22-day plan alongside your day job to build your own version. And if you want to go deeper after this, I'll link to our full 4-hour YouTube tutorial that walks you through every single step. We also have a free 22 days to launch checklist that I'll link to below. And finally, we have a book. So if you're like me and you like to mark up the book as you go along the steps, that book is for you. But before we get into the how-to, let's be clear about what we're talking about here. What is a freedom first, boring second cleaning business? Well, it's not just about making more money. It's also to create more space in your mind, your life, and your schedule. It's freedom for you as the owner, freedom for your cleaners in getting to decide their schedules and getting really fair pay. It's freedom for your clients who trust you and the systems you've put in place, and they never have to worry about cleaning again. It's boring second because the way you get there isn't flashy. It's built on simple, reliable systems that anyone can follow. These are systems that work quietly in the background while you get your time back. So the 4 foundations. Foundation 1, solve a simple problem. Picture your ideal client. They've just finished a full day of back-to-back meetings. They're juggling dinner, homework, maybe a late night email from their boss. They're exhausted. And one night they think to themselves, I'm done with cleaning. I'm outsourcing this. They grab their phone and they type cleaning services, and then their city. They start scrolling. They see a dozen websites that all say, call for a free quote, or a long form that says the company will get back to them in 24 or 48 hours. But they don't have 48 hours. They want to outsource this now. Then they find your business. Clear, transparent pricing, live availability, great reviews from other clients, booked in under a minute. Because when someone finds a cleaning company that actually solves their simple problem, they stop searching. I'll give you a real example. 3 years ago, a woman, I'll just call her Susan, she called looking for weekly cleaning services. She owned her own business, had a very busy social life, and was looking forward to enjoying a very active retirement. She didn't want to waste her time, nor ours. She picked a weekly time slot at 9 a.m. for Thursdays, and she's been with us for 3 solid years now. Her cleaner loves those Thursdays. It's predictable, calm, and exactly the kind of client she loves working with. And the money? That client has paid us over $47,000 these last 3 years. She's happy to keep doing it. And that's the power of solving one simple problem really well. Foundation 2, design for low-maintenance clients. Not every client is the ideal client. We learned that one early. So who are our ideal clients? They're exactly what I described in Foundation 1. Busy professionals, working parents, people who don't want to spend their free time cleaning. They don't care how the cleaning gets done. They just want it done. Here's what they want. Fast answers, clear pricing, and consistent results. They don't want haggling, endless emails, or to have to micromanage the cleaner to show them how to clean properly. That's why our business works, because we built it for people just like us. The I've got too much on my plate crowd. When you design your systems around ease, you attract clients who also value that ease. And those clients stay. Foundation 3, recurring revenue over big paydays. Early on, I made the same mistake a lot of new business owners make. I chased the big jobs. $800 move-outs, $2,000 post-construction cleans, every single Airbnb cleaning. They looked great on paper, but in reality, they came with chaos. Last-minute schedule changes, clients who had crazy, unrealistic expectations, cleaners who got burnt out fast, and the risk of those 1-star reviews that we're all so scared of. Then I realized something. One client paying $300 a week, equaling 47 grand over 3 years, quietly, consistently, without any emergency texts. That's stability. It's what let me say yes to Susan when she called, instead of wasting my and our cleaners' energy on one-time cleans that only cause so much stress and anxiety. And it's what helped people like Jenna and Isaac completely change their lives. Isaac was a school teacher just like me. Jenna was a coach, a mom, and had a full-time career. They started their cleaning business because they wanted their evenings and weekends back to enjoy with their family. Fast forward a year, they now bring in over $60K a month, reliably, consistently, and without the stress. They're able to spend time together again as a family, enjoying their evenings and their weekends. By the way, both of them quit their full-time jobs. That's what recurring revenue gives you, the ability to build a life that runs on your terms. Foundation 4. Cleaner first equals a business that lasts. This is the one that most people miss. You can't build a successful cleaning company without great, reliable cleaners. So from day one, we built this around the cleaners' freedom too. Our cleaners choose their own schedules, the types of jobs they take on, as well as the types of clients they like working with, and they can take vacation whenever they like. They keep 60% of each job's payout and 100% of the tips. They get predictability instead of random chaos. When people feel respected and supported, they stay. And when they stay, your business compounds. Even other companies have noticed. One gave us a call the other day to ask if we would consider selling our business to them. When I asked him why, he said, "I'm having a really hard time keeping cleaners. You obviously don't have that problem, so I'm wondering if you'd sell your business to me." He's right, we don't have that problem, but no, we're not selling. And it's simply because our model was built on stability and respect, not burnout. If something in this video resonated with you and you're ready for the next steps, grab the free 22 days to launch checklist below. Watch the 4-hour video where we walk you through step by step exactly what you should do so you don't reinvent the wheel. By the way, that video is not something you should binge. You'll work through it, one step at a time. And before you think 4 hours, I don't have that kind of time. How long did that university degree take you? Or how long have you been stuck in that job that you hate? Take the time. You deserve it. One focused hour a day, and you can build the business that gives you your life back. And before you go, I'm curious, where are you? Leave us a comment below and let us know where you're located and where you're at in your journey to starting your own cleaning company. See you on the other side.